Racing just is started. Winwood Bell break quickly to start. Running by the rail is Smiling Lady. Rushing up on the outside. Daughter of the Dragon in the middle portion. Real Gold, then followed by Kentucky Rain. Dominica comes next. Manglot Island. 1 square foot. Then moving up on the outside now is Makarit, while Bato is racing in last. Racing down the backstretch, we have Winwood Bell. Moving up now on the outside is Real Gold to take the lead. And in third comes Daughter of the Dragon, running by the railport. Smiling Lady. Kentucky Rain comes next. 1 square foot alongside Manglot Island. Makarit rushing up down on the inside. Dominica second last, while Bato is still racing in last. Zero to par turn, 2 runners still matching their strides together. Moving up on the outside is Real Gold, running by the Winwood Bell. Then here comes Kentucky Rain now to take third, and in fourth comes Smiling Lady, then followed by Daughter of the Dragon. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Real Gold this time by about 3 lengths, and in second Kentucky Rain. Winwood Bell down on the inside now is Smiling Lady. Bato. Last 50 meters, the program opener belongs to the outstanding favorite Real Gold. Second, Kentucky Rain. Third, Winwood Bell. Bato. Then comes Smiling Lady. Makarit.
For our race number 1, our unofficial winner, the outstanding favorite, entry number 8, Real Gold. Mas segundo sa East Kentucky Rain, 7, Winwood Bell, 2, Bato, 4, Smiling Lady, at 5, Makarit para sa inyo Super 6. 8, 6, 7, 2, 4, 5, unofficial.